turn it on. It's on the lowest speed, and it should start oscillating. There, I just told it to do that with the remote control. And where I'm standing beside the bed, I can feel it, but it's not, you know, it's a little bit of a breeze, but not a huge amount. So I'm going to turn it up to the second one, and I can see that it's moving the curtains. And that's nice. Okay, feel that great. Third speed. I can hear that now. Well, it's not annoying enough to keep you awake or anything, but you know it's moving. And I'm going to go up to the fourth speed now. I can definitely feel that from where I'm standing here, close to the head of the bed. It's actually moving my hair. And let's see what it does to the curtains at this time. Yeah, they're definitely moving, for sure. So this is great. This is a really nice little fan. I think it'll be a nice addition to our guest room. And I hope it works out for you too.
Of this fan, I have it mounted in the back with 2 tie wraps. The instructions actually show a mounting for short walls or flat sticks, to be honest, with 3 tie wraps, but 3 tie wraps will not work because the 3rd tie wrap actually pushes the clip up and knocks the fan off of the stand. So you absolutely cannot use 3 tie wraps, but 2 tie wraps has actually been working just fine. And surprisingly, it doesn't go down the pole even when it's at max speed. Operation of this is quite simple. The remote stores right here on the fan, or in my case, right there. And there are buttons on top for operation, but you can just cycle through the speeds here. There's 4 speeds, or you just keep cycling through until you hit off. And then this is to turn the oscillation on and off. And then they've got the timer function here with